Like copyrights, trademarks do not need registration to get protection. But unlike copyrights, the strength of trademark protection depends on whether you register it or not. You can only sue somebody for trademark infringement if you have a registration. If you don't have a registration, you cannot do that. If you don't have a registration, you can sue for passing off, which is very difficult to prove. But you cannot sue for trademark infringement. And once you register a trademark, even your domain name gets protected as the trademark. So the domain extension of your trademark also gets protection. The term of a trademark is, once you file for registration, it's for 10 years, and then every 10 years you can renew it. The trademark can be valid perpetually. As long as you use it, it can be a valid trademark. In other words, unlike other forms of IP, it doesn't come to an end. In fact, trade secrets are also like that. Now, why don't you tell me which trademark this is, or whose trademark this is, or what trademark this is? So what trademark is this? Yeah, it's MGM trademark. It was one of the first few trademarks which was registered as a sound trademark. They actually registered this roar as their trademark. Of course, they also have other elements, but those are separately registered. Right? They have the word and they have the specific logo. They are registered, but the sound has been registered as a trademark. How about this one? Whose trademark is this? This is Harley Davidson's sound trademark. So Harley Davidson was also one of the first few companies that registered a sound trademark. They in fact registered their bike's beat as a trademark.